stunning two-story home in the Portage Copper Leaf community. This immaculate home offers over 2,800 square feet of finished living space with thoughtful upgrades throughout. The open floor plan creates the perfect setting for everyday living and entertaining, with the kitchen flowing seamlessly into the dining area and spacious living room. The beautifully appointed kitchen features white cabinetry, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, center island, and stainless steel appliances. The dining area provides easy access to the private backyard, complete with a large patio, fully fenced yard, and storage shed. The living room offers a wonderful gathering space with a gas fireplace. The second level features 3 bedrooms, including a private primary suite, plus a versatile loft area ideal for an office, reading nook, or play space. The primary suite includes a walk-in closet, double vanity, tile shower, and soaking tub. A convenient second laundry room adds to the home's functionality. The finished basement provides even more living space with a spacious recreation room, 4th bedroom, and 3rd full bathroom. Enjoy the convenience.